In this video, I show you how to use AI in project management with Hive. Hive integrates AI in creating tasks, responding to emails, and taking notes. Before we look at this in more detail, let me introduce myself. My name is Gregor. I worked in digital strategy consulting for 2 years, and on this channel, I show consultants, managers, and professionals how to make the best use of AI tools. Back to the video. As with tools I introduced to you in my other videos, the problem with project management is not really that things are not possible without AI, but just that they often require more work or copy-pasting from ChatGPT or other generative AI interfaces. Now, many project management tools started integrating generative AI, but Hive was one of the first, and they chose to do so in creating tasks, responding to emails, and also taking notes. Let me show you right in the software how this is done. What you see here is the basic interface of Hive. This is a Kanban view as popularized by the software Trello. Check out the video link in the description if you're not familiar with this type of interface. For this video, I'll assume you understand roughly what this is about, so I can explain you in more detail how you can now implement AI. So let's say we want to add a new task here. What we do is just click this new button, and in Hive, tasks are called action. So let's click that, and right away we get a typical action add window, which allows us to have a title, description, sub-actions, labels, dependencies. You can add apps, mail, add attachments, notes, and comments. You can also add a due date and schedule a time, as well as several other parameters. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, let's say my next video is about Asana, and here I want to add a task that reflects that. So I'll write create video about Asana. Now, let's imagine I'm not exactly sure how to create a video, so I can just click here on this Hive Mind Assist button, and I'll get several options that AI can help me. It will automatically fill this field in with the description, or I should say with the title of this task, but I can still specify it. For example, give me 5 steps about create a video about Asana. Now I can ask it to suggest steps. And you see right away, it responds in a way very similar to ChatGPT. Plan the video, script and storyboard, record and gather visual assets, edit and enhance, publish and promote. Let's say I'm very happy with this. Then I can just add these sub-actions, and right away I have them as subtasks. It is now very easy to delegate individual subtasks to specific team members, choose deadlines, or edit them, rearrange them, whatever I want, as you would expect in any task manager. Now let's say I also want to add a description. Again, I can use the Hive Mind Assist button, and this time I'll ask about create a 3-sentence description about creating a video about Asana. And so this time I'll just write content, and it will give me a short text. If I'm not exactly happy, I can just try again, and it will generate another similar text. I can also edit the prompt here and then generate again. But let's say I'm happy with this one, then I can simply add it to the description, and it is here. Now, one last very interesting thing you can do with the Hive Mind Assist is also create an image. So let's say I want to have an image about creating a video about AI. And I just ask it to generate an image. And after a few seconds, you get a sort of fitting image. This is not working out that well right now, but still, you can get some visual inspiration as well and try around with that. And that is how Hive integrates AI in task management. Next, let's take a look how Hive can help me to answer emails quicker with the help of generative AI. To do that, I close this action and I go over to the Mail app inside of Hive. Here inside the Mail app, you can see I received an email that goes like this. Hey Greg, we have a board meeting at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Please be sure you have your video about project management ready by then. Best, the CEO. So now I want to reply to this. And as in any other email app, I just click reply. But now I have an interesting option here, which is called suggest email reply. Let me click this. And right away, Hive considers the context and writes a short, appropriate response, as it is most likely. Of course, this is in a positive. If you have a negative message, you need to change this or adapt it, and then you can simply send it from here. And that's how Hive makes it easier to answer emails with AI. The third place where Hive also integrates AI is the Notes app. Let me show you how that works. You again go to the App Switcher menu on the left side and go to Notes. And here I already started a note with the title 5 business books I want to read this fall. But I had no idea what books I want to read. Let me drag in the window. And so what I can do here is just tap this blue plus button and ask again Hive mind assist and just write a prompt. Suggest me 5 business books to read this fall. And I can simply generate text or also an image, but in this case, let's go with the text. The Lean Startup, Start with Why, Good to Great, The Innovator's Dilemma, and The Power of Habit. Let's say I'm happy, so let's go with keep here. And then just to demonstrate, let's also again generate a picture. Show me a picture of a man reading a business book in fall. And a few moments later, we do have a roughly appropriate picture. And that was how AI helps you work faster in the Task Manager Hive. The main use cases I see here are that you can quickly brainstorm about subtasks in actions, and even if you already know roughly what they are, you can generate subtasks quite a bit quicker than writing everything by hand, and then adapt them according to your needs. Another very interesting feature is the reply to email one, although me personally, I wouldn't necessarily want to integrate mail into my task manager. So this I would do if you have a lot of email where you will need automation to quickly generate answers. And otherwise, I'd rather wait until similar features are available in other email softwares as well, because they will definitely arrive in the future. What does it cost? Actually, as an individual user, Hive comes for free. And that includes all the AI features that I showed you in this video. If you use Hive in a team, there will be additional features available for $18 per month. But for most of you, I don't think there is any need to pay money here. And that was AI in Hive. When I contacted them, they told me that more AI features will be coming soon. So once they launch that, I'll make sure to show you about this in another video. I'll also be covering other task managers like Asana in future videos. If there is any particular software or feature that you would like me to talk about, make sure to let me know in the comments.